Hi everyone, and welcome to the housing segment of this week's iCAN episode. For this segment, I will be giving you 3 helpful tips on 3 plants that are great for college dorms or apartments, as well as tips on how to maintain your plants throughout your life as a busy college student. Number 1, we have Sansevieria trifasciata, or most commonly known as the snake plant. The snake plant has so many different species, and most of them survive in low light environments. So low light basically meaning that if you leave them in an area with medium to bright indirect light, they will survive perfectly. Living in a college dorm or even apartment, these are great because of how low maintenance they are, especially because of the water requirement, which is basically minimal. So if you tend to overwater your plants like me, it's also a good idea to have a forgiving pot, such as a terracotta pot, that will be able to absorb that excess water. Number 2 is the aloe vera plant. The aloe vera is a type of succulent plant, and succulents in general are low maintenance and great for busy people. Aloe barbadensis is the typical plant used that has the gel inside that is most mainly used for its healing properties. So some tips to keeping your aloe vera plant healthy is to be sure you're using the right soil. So you could either be using succulent soil or even some sort of cactus soil. And you could tell because this will have rocks or even some bark in it. So it's essential to have the right soil just because the aloe vera plant thrives with little water. So having that type of soil will help the water absorb equally throughout the entire plant. Number 3, we have Senecio rowleyanus, or most commonly known as string of pearls. This is another type of succulent that is so pretty when well taken care of. The beautiful vines are a great way to decorate your space. However, being a part of the succulent plant species, they too love to thrive in bright indirect sunlight, and 4 to 8 hours is typically ideal for this type of plant. One thing you'd like to note about this beautiful plant is that you might want to repot it out of the plastic nursery pot, just because that repotting in a porous pot will help maintain the irrigation, as well as make sure that the roots aren't swimming down there